Now we are going to talk about how to pack your backpack, and we'll start with talking about how to pack your sleeping bag. You should always pack your sleeping bag in a dry sack, and that is because you need to keep it dry at all cost. Because it gets wet, it starts to lose its insulated capabilities.
And I think also we can mention a few words about how to choose your sleeping bag. Usually you will find some information. In this case, up here, it will say what level, what temperature for what level of comfort. Usually you will also find information if it's for men or if it's for female. And that also goes for the level of comfort related to temperature. Usually a female need a little bit more heat than a man does, but it's usually also related to the length of the sleeping bag. If you are really, really tall, you might even need to get a sleeping bag for tall people. When you go to bed at night and you close up or zip up your sleeping bag, make sure that you have some dry clothing on, maybe long johns or wool shirt, to get a good night's sleep. And then in the morning when you wake up, if it's good weather outside, you bring out the sleeping bag and try to air dry it out in the sun, because you really want to get the sleeping bag as dry as possible before you put it in the watertight bag. If it's raining a lot, which could be the case up in the mountains, you still try to lay it out inside the tent, in the shelter. It can be difficult to air out, but you do the best you can. You lay it out and try to air it out as long as possible before you break camp.
Yes, it could even help with just flip it inside out, inside the tent to air it out. And to stuff it, just make sure that it's completely dry, because otherwise it won't help at all to put it in a watertight bag.
And now, when you packed it in the bag, where in the backpack do you normally put your sleeping bag?
I put it in the bottom, actually. It's a little bit bulky, but it's not heavy. So in the bottom, I prefer a bit heavy. Like so.